Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Bread and butter above and below, the bigger the better. Too many twos. Tom and Tim were twins. Tom said to Tim, "Can I talk to you?" A difficult daughter. Dr. Dixon said to his daughter Daria, "Don't go downtown after dark. It's dangerous." Daria said, "Don't worry, Dad, I won't. You know I never do." "Dad, I've been packing all week for Camp Kikikuma. I can't wait to get there. Do you remember your camping days?" A big dog. Peggy is going to the game. The dog dug up his bone again. There is a big bug on the rug.